Dear friend, the mayonnaise is ready and I am loving it. The taste, the texture, the smoothness, everything is so great.
Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Chef Gabi GA channel. Today, we are going to learn how to make mayonnaise at home. And we are going to use only 3 ingredients. Within 5 minutes, we will be done with our mayonnaise. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! These are the 3 basic ingredients I am going to use to make the mayonnaise. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or you can use vinegar. 2 whole eggs. I'll use both the yolk and the white parts of the egg. And then, of course, my 1 cup of vegetable oil.
You can use any oil of your choice, like sunflower oil or olive oil, but it shouldn't be highly flavored oil because your mayonnaise might taste like that of the oil instead of mayonnaise. Dear friend, the ingredients are set. I will combine the egg, the oil, and the lemon juice together and use the hand mixer to mix them at the same time. So we'll be adding the oil gradually as and when they are all emulsifying perfectly. Dear friend, and I've realized the bowl is big for the mayonnaise to be mixed or emulsified perfectly by the hand mixer. So I will change it into a small bowl and continue with the mixing. Alright, dear friend, so I think this bowl is perfect for the mixing of the mayonnaise. So as I said, we'll be adding the oil gradually, and when you put the oil in, just mix it for about 1 minute or 45 seconds and then add more drops so everything becomes perfect. And you can see how beautiful our mayonnaise is, dear friend. So you can see this one look a bit yellowish. It's not pure white. It is as a result of a pigment in the yolk of the egg called xanthophyll. So it is the xanthophyll that give it a little yellowish pale color. You know, the ones you buy in the supermarket are always white, pure white. This is because in the factories they use more water instead of more yolk, and they use powerful machine that is able to emulsify it even when they add more water to it instead of yolk. And the lemon juice or the vinegar we use will kill the bacteria because you know we use raw egg. And my brother, I tell you, this one I will add just a pinch of salt to taste because we are going to use it at home so that it will be good for our spread. But if you are using this for salad, you can decide not to add the salt so that you just season your salad and add the mayonnaise. Dear friend, the mayonnaise is ready and I am loving it. The taste, the texture, the smoothness, everything is so great. I hope you love it. Are you still here and you have not subscribed? Kindly subscribe. I upload new video every single week. And if you like the uniform I used for the introduction, it was designed by African Heritage Clothing. They are Ghanaians and they are here in Ghana. If you want 1 piece or 1,000 uniforms, they can design it for you. Their number is what you see on your screen. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.